Hi everyone, good day. We have here a brand new Jayco J7. We upgrade the wheels. The stock wheels on this unit is 19-inch. Now, we upgraded into 20-inch TCF flow form wheels. Check it out. This is on bright silver color wheels, and the tires we're using on this one, we're using the Apollo Aspire 4G Plus tires. As you can see, perfect fitment, perfect stance or flush. Nice body color, silver with a little changing color from silver to blue with bright silver. It really matches on the vehicle for me. If you like how we built here, feel free to message me. And please follow and subscribe my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. See you here, everyone. Bye!